Yeah, man, you know, say I one father, Nick, and I represent for that movie, Big Bad Movie, Sweepstakes, episode. Those, you see style? Yeah, man, you can find me on all platforms, said we YouTube, One Father Nick, TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, man. Right there, so. Big up on yourself, said yeah. One public report.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Me step out of jail yard. Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. My scamming business, feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. Same blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road them before me even learn right from wrong. Say son, this is how we survive, but survival turn to prison song. 5% of me sweat, yeah, while them live big and free. College fee due tomorrow, but jail cell wait for me. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and we soul. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We swear say we loyal till the law knock on the door. Same table we eat from is the
Good night.
Good night.
Alright. Alright, Sean. You know, say me I wanna loyal this customer, right? You know, say no matter what, me always a support you. All when time your business do good on, and me always do there support you. And all if I little, me still a come to you. But what me want you to do for me is that the money not come through yet. So me did I ask you if I can just give me fish them, but me go and season up them and prepare myself. But you go get the money now, but the money me away pan it not come yet. But just give me fish them and me season up them and then me give you money afterwards. So just give me fish them.
Boy, that can't go on, you know. That can't go on still, you know, me not tell you no lie, you know. No matter how you loyalty and anything there, but money have to run before me can get the fish. You understand?
Shana, me hear this, sir?
And I really you me do say, you know, cause right now, you know, say, it only for credit thing make your business a kind of low key, low good on, a good on, you see me? So, watch out. Money have to come in before me can give my product them. You understand? And that's how it is.
We mean at this side there. When time me always a support, and I like so me always pay you late, you know. Me always give you money on time, you know. Something good on for me, you know. And me ask you for your favor, and you can do this to me.
But as me I tell you, so me can't get fish then because me have to go in my savings right now for buy about goods. So right now some money out there for me, and if you come in, me can't get no fish right now because what me have right now, I just sell out and I cash me I deal with. You understand? I just saw things set.
Why you so ungrateful? Why you
I'm
so
not ungrateful,
bad?
but you have to understand what me I say. You understand? Remember me now. Whole other people out there owe me right now, you know. And right now, my savings me are going to have to buy about goods.
That are
You get what
them.
me I say? So I can't credit no fish right now. No fish can brother for run right now. May I tell you the truth.
You see who you talk to?
Yeah, me know. Me see who me I talk, but you know, I say you go. No credit, no credit, no credit. If you have a piece of dog, you can give away money worth. You understand? But
no, me not have it. But I could have just give me fish them until me get the money, me give you the money.
Can't work with that right now. Right now my savings are good and I up if you go. You understand? Money me I deal with. I just say that.
I can't, but you know, so that's why you can come better in a life.
I credit in a cost, me can't bet the credit in, the credit
But
in,
me
you
not
understand?
depend credit with you.
The credit in and the long pain can't work out right now. It can't work out
Me
for me.
ever owe you? Me never owe you.
Can't work out. But when money fi come in, it take long. So me have to go in my savings fi go buy back goods, and that can't work out. You understand? So me can't credit you no fish for the weekend. You understand? So I have to go find another option. No crediting. Money me I deal with.
So anytime me get my money, me I go one different fisherman.
I say go.
Me done and wash me and clean.
Yeah man, I say go man. Money me I deal with. Money me I deal with right now.
Get back my money again. You know.
I little bit of fish now my little crane to my house right now. If I have to go up on the road, the money me I deal with. You understand?
But you're gonna give me other like say you're not gonna get the money, you're gonna get your money.
But it take long to come in, you know, you not understand what I say.
But you get the money by you know I mean I don't know if I talking.
Yeah man, the brother for run, man, the brother for run. I just say that.
Man, when Nick them man, I came and hold up my business in the dad. Good, yeah, them I get the pan a deal. What is that call me? Cause I call me. Cause.
Yo, cause man.
Let me there no emotion. Thing active.
But why? Move to South here now. You can't call link me from the shop.
Up on your side.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Emergency.
No chatty. My fault.
Yeah,
Give me a minute there.
Alright.
So I got on cause girl. See her call me, you know. You say style now.
Canada is stressful. Yeah, you remember saying tomorrow fish fry?
Tomorrow. Of course, remember saying to my brother, say, I'm going to do my head. Baba shop for going night. You tell me, say, you're ready for that, man. Shake it, come shake it tomorrow, man. I'm here.
I fish man for calling and fish them. But I can have a small issue.
Oh, you know come? You know what I come?
No man, he might come said you know.
So what kind of issue?
But somebody did carry some funds come give me, but you know, like a person I'm gonna make me.
I'm gonna shot her. You said that again, man? That if you tell me, brother, oh gosh, man, no problem, no issue. So you say, how I can help you?
Alright, more 50 grand to borrow from you.
Alright.
You get it back as soon as possible. If I might be this evening or tomorrow after I party.
Alright, what is style? What's the style then? You didn't tell her no, you should just tell me that on the phone, I just walk in the bread, because I'm not that family now. Come with that, I first go out in the yard and I still have to circle back, so I would have forgot, you see me?
Yeah, but remember saying now we are people who not talk with business by phone, we rather talk face to face.
Well, all that to still, regular day still, knock it up yourself.
Nah, I love me say, but I'm glad to see you back in the place, you know, because I never nobody else to call one more than you.
Remember, sir, now we are trying the right, because all if one thing, lift up different than I know, because see, all man park up in car in a yard then and he want to fix so. Boy, if me a job sitting here, I have to go fix it and should be out, you know? So, we have to go and work, you know? But no kill up yourself, I don't tell you. If I don't fall with it, go and give, make some boy come drop you off your foot, isn't it?
Alright, no problem.
So you say, that's all you link bud?
Yeah, that's all I'm going to link your bud.
Okay.
But we say, yeah, you're bridging them forward.
Watch out, man, I say, any more my dad, I'm for their foot, man. So you don't have to ask about that. You see me? Dog them active. All the Rasta nigga there, although him a girl me think the boy active too, so I'm gonna make him know if I pull through and come brave see me, you see me?
Yeah man, me know say him good, you know, because we don't talk to film woman.
Alright, so you know that go?
Yeah, because only me I depend on still, because I don't really know people like that, I first time me I did this. So I just try a little thing, because me have a shop, I just say, no, I just put on a little thing, because I know uno love support people. So I just, yeah man.
Don't kill up yourself. I don't tell you, I pull through, man. But you may say still, because we have a couple of things I'm going to do. I don't tell them I'm going to barber shop. I'm going to go down on the clothes to grab 2 suits of clothes. See me, such a now. I have to go down the yard, go let off a thing with you. That's why I tell myself when I fall, I'm going to send my boy. So I'm going to go to Sabam and go program up that different way. Okay, so that alone about there.
No, not alone. That's not alone.
Don't kill up yourself, man. Because let me have a piece of dog, you know. Let me have a piece of dog. I nigga can't come in the same season. That's okay, I come here. I'm doing check yet. No, listen. You know what?
I want to boy in this country kind shop, man.
You trust me, the boy. Hey, messy. Don't do me after
No, man, you just give me
you
a
messy, man. You do me after the man. So you messy. Make your food reach, you see?
Alright, later.
Alright, man, cause man, they are family, have help family. You hear that?
Bad bro.
How you going now?
No, just see yourself for link, man. I'm not see you.
But I did this with my long bad man, so see me can make a chick with my cousin there.
Where you there now? Where you there? Where you there now?
Where you there? Where you there? Me come here, link. Where you there?
Alright, me I there right on the corner, I go and build a positive. Me I know, man.
Boy, don't I kill on a restaurant there, sir?
No, sir, me I sit down on the wall by crossroad.
Alright, no chat to me there, no chat.
Code up. That's what me I there. Come in, man. I know say how wait too long.
You're a joker, man.
I'm here, bro.
Jokers,
I'm saying business take time.
Yeah,
Business
waste
take
time.
I'm here, bro.
Time you the waste, man.
Nothing like that, man. Nothing like
So you
that.
gonna-
Man, I respect my brother.
Active.
Fully active, man.
See things, so my birthday.
Bread live, man. I'm here, man.
Bad man, say
I run in on the bread like say, oh, you take my for? Like it? You not trust my badness? Eh? Dark kick.
I just choose how you say, so hands up my things, so no, me can't see money, sugar on the corner.
It dark kick. Yeah, watch it. This is 50. You see it? So in a little more now, me line up the next 150 and make you get it.
Right.
You see it? Remember saying, no? You did wait for me how long? And this alone, I could have got some booms and line up. You see what I say? So, by about later or tomorrow,
Right.
more like tomorrow,
Right.
yeah, we get the rest of it.
Right.
I don't know if you worry about it. You know, some
You know, you're fit, you know.
I agree with that food, bro.
Your friend now, come and say, yeah, such man a link from what you know. See you, know.
Judge, you know.
Friend now, take up film teeth in style, and we never go good, man.
Oh, yeah, man. Remember say, yo.
Come back, say, what do you know?
I have to keep it peace.
And the little scholar will work what do you know. But say, you know, I 30,000 scholar, you know, but I 10,000 make his call send a fee account, you know. 20,000 may have what they go for right now, you know, so. Them feel like them smart time, me. This a time, man.
You sure say send, no? Not sure?
Sure, so that them done give scholar that the new account, everything, brother.
Oh, and you portal everything.
Me have my account, and they can't grow anything again. Then go see we rise in front of them and if watch me.
Yeah, I said them like, this is not a team, bro. Remember, say it's a team, you know.
But
You can't make me call certain look, I say no waste energy. I'm not even say waste energy. New energy.
You may say still, it's an idea. Pour me up if you port me thing and I know the pan, you know. Go all one wash off, me know you pray. Me I go over them and go to wash off and I little more, you see me? But there's medzi man dog, and I little more link you still dog.
Oh man, remember saying it, wash off a difference. So right now over John come out and want to go. Don't make film boy up the put on when I goes to tattoo with them. You see? Yeah man.
Boy, I mean,
yeah man, that one there. Yeah, so when I get that one there.
no, me not tell you, me already know that I want to still about funny can make it millions in that.
You know what they say. From other day, I disappear for 3 days and from I come back just make money. So.
How big go?
Up to now, I have a broke days.
So you know bust it on the link?
Brother, I sacrifice and I see you or something. But them man, they not deal with it. Alright, okay. No man. You see now, irregular one them, they make. We are no man. Irregular one them, you know. The man, them have to touch monkey.
No,
have to touch one bag. You see my boy, you know. It's just that. You have to make a mad sacrifice. You see, start.
Some people don't like the China dog. What you may say that? Look how much reason about that. You go on the river and go all wash off.
I know I'm out for that.
So look how much reason about that.
Yeah, but you like say we have to start out business right.
No man.
Remember, so we have to connect up upside.
Yeah man, know where yourself man. Yeah man, we still have a link up on the mum say, but my channel link my cousin and do a little thing, but me have a piece of dog on the black way. Just lift it up and just go and breathe till the fall dog. Come then tell the same dog. I want 20 ball me up on the line.
Yes, it's a couple back like a BF can beat an idea.
Oh gosh man, but you know say fever I'm really drinking dog. Fever why?
But I'm buckle a BF put on the man. Remember saying watch it.
You may say must in a reach.
No man. No man. Me not got no money for my reach. No. I say a rasta me I can check their money. If you give me a piece of dog, I suck up food thing and balance out. When you give me that, I go say bonus.
Yeah, can you still have a piece of dog on the
Eh.
But I wait till you forward. How much like 20,000 there? You don't know nothing about it.
What?
Done that.
How we connect up? Profits.
Public! Yo! Forward man, forward!
Ready to show?
Yeah, bro. Sun is hot still, you know.
Well, you're well prepared for your son, man. You know,
Yeah.
I work where I do with.
Yeah, me I tell you, say, me have to buy up some little something with the little money where you give me what day and something there.
And that's a
And
good, man.
right now,
I'm gonna tell you something, worry about money, you talk about money. Well, I'm gonna tell you, Mama said me soon forward. There, don't move fancy. I watch up the dog, man, sure.
so one little mongrel dog over there, so. Yeah. Son, red till they do, someone. Lucky say a chewing go teach me game certain way, and I'm gonna dig off long time, you know, man, cause only sit here and make for me, my sunset here, man, like my wobia, man, you know what, no wobia, man. Fi turn up in the sun, so show me one until look a piece of.
Yeah, baby, me soon forward, yeah? Soon forward.
Yeah, so you see I go on now.
Ready, man.
So, Mama go on, she alright?
Yeah, Mama good, man. Cause Mama say, yo, look at Mama buy one car. You can't supposed to reach everything. Yeah, sir. Forward, man, forward, come here.
Church of that. Keep leaving there. Yeah, cause girl, how are you there? Yeah man, forward in front of us now. Yeah man. Oh yeah man, same place there while ago. That's forward. Quick and fast, I'm not a rush. Alright.
Aye.
Every time I come on this Alena be a vehicle. Oh, you saw that come on let because I reach me and see the bus and pull up again. You see me?
Stop going to the man, you don't see people as I come on.
As me say read this receipt a while ago. But
So you
pull
did
up
that
man
for
and look at
writing
my
on the
face.
receipt?
Oh,
You did that for writing on the envelopes, yeah?
no, I some member, me must say I will do business such and you understand me try to share a piece of food and reach to me for go do that thing. To me just, you know? Yeah. I leave me right 50 pounds if I tell you the truth. That dog I can't come give me. You see me?
Alright.
So I exact more tell you and see him. I can't even see that. But watch out now. I say I'm a cousin, man. You're good, man. You must have me up on the cell block, you never left you out, you know.
Never left out.
I'm buying a man a best KFC when you're running. Some boy are hungry, man. I have the best KFC, man. Phone never short a credit, man.
True.
Never late pay a visit, man. I'm going to get the little thing there. It's this style. Such a man, right. So just do what you got to do. And if your money not turn back same time, I'm not pressure for pay, man. Anytime you have to do this, you see me?
No, man.
When you have to do this, you see me? Yeah, such a now. As we don't tell you, if you got a barber shop around, because time is against us, you know, tomorrow party, I really want up and down tomorrow, you know. So you know that go. So what do I have to do, isn't it? Alright, so I link up the dog in the car. Come with a bra 5 party, come on. You see your style?
Tomorrow.
Aha, so my time for share tomorrow at the party forward.
Alright.
Yeah man, but you know your style. Yes, no, man.
Thanks again, yeah.
Money won't change a fool. Oh I can't control. It's the greed in a man's heart, make him lose him soul. Them say money are the roots of all evil, but me never see money kill people. It's the love of money.
Yeah, mean.
What that?
Food chopping I play. How you go now?
I'm there, man. I hold it off. I know everything go.
Thing active.
I don't know. Slippery there. Slippery.
One slippery. Thing go fun. See, I did that with an idea, my dog.
Same old. You know, say I work around for work, but you what Nick there?
Nick, you know, say I Nick me all day, I wait pan door.
What do you mean wait for him, man? What you talk about? Yo, time is very important, brother. I don't understand what I'm going on.
I don't really know Nick there still like shooter. What's your name? You rush?
And that's a rush, but work, you know, it's people them have them time.
I say dog gonna do the next thing in the car, you know.
Next thing, what kind of next thing you talk about?
I say dog go in the farming, man. Say dog I say my farm some yeah man sitting man say dog go the panny ground.
And that's I think with you
see me?
You understand say we have a focus on one mission.
No.
And if a this a no bread will make a breadwinner, we have to make this a come first. So see me there now, me bring Slippery come here. I'm a call you.
Oh, like I'm a call me, yes. I'm a call me, yes.
Answer your phone, brother.
Yeah, Father Nick. Watch you now. See you, yes, dog. Yeah, man. If Rasta call link for you now. Alright.
Bad dog, where the bad dog?
Alright, he does have to give him 10 minutes. Yeah, man, I'm that man. Yeah. Man say no rush, man say where the rush go. Same thing, man say where the rush go. Just give him like a time, man. You see me? Dog, pull up, man. I'm here, man. You know, drink Slippery.
Everything good still. Everything good, man. Alright, here I go. We just have to wait until he forward. But boy, you build a decent, you build a decent vibes, man.
I'm trying to tell you, say, you don't see it. You can't hardly
hold on. Hello? Yeah, baby girl. But me just talk to you a while ago, you know what you're talking about?
It's mad.
Alright, since Nick no forward yet, me go forward. Me forward right now. Here? Bad dog, me soon forward, here? Me soon forward, just stay a little bit. See? Yeah, I'm soon forward. Give me about 5-10 minutes.
Sorry, I got
so as Nick forward, you shot me, here?
Yeah, man.
Me go put my hands and come up.
You're always in a rush, now we have dog.
Me forward, just one little emergency. See?
Alright, they are for it, man. You can't get a chair, no. So chair, they say no, my dog. You can't get a chair, man. Come in, chill off, and man, turn up over me saying a Slippery. I'm not trust you, you're Slippery, you know, I'm like you're a criminal, you know. You say the name not fit in, dog. The name not fit in either, you know. Because if I'm today, bang on your name.
Yeah, that's one like a real chopper name between you know.
One bang up on the gram, man. Bang on your name for today. No boy on the gram, man. One bang on. So I say bang, and I have a drink. Me alone can drink coffee from although it's so done still.
I know, so I'm not too drink though, my G.
Oh, watch out, man. I am Sweepstakes apart now. Have a drink, man. You're not born weed. See how that spliff that I become a build up couple spliff and stuff for myself.
You know, say do
what?
Me and grandmother say me feel always.
So you try for yourself. Me build this spliff for myself, brother. Look at me, I'm mad, man. I'm going to mad myself.
Never say I go mad.
Look at say, I see a weed that's a crush out for build and a weed me roll up and craving and see everything in the board. And see a spliff for you. Man, you come like a nerd. Yeah. All this man, see a light here for yourself too, man. Judge your youth. How rest I get some man from, man? I light up a weed, man. Come here if you can trust you, you know. That man tell you, brother, I'm going to get a cup, man. Get a cup and go and show it a drink, man. Have a drink, man. And free up yourself, youth. And a little bush place you grew up there, man. Welcome to the town. And maddest life I go live around here, my boy. You hear? Well, boy, Nick, the man, I know me can't see him pull a foot. No, me can't see him pull a foot.
So, what kind of weed is something? A high grade or a low grade?
Yeah, go on. Give me a script, man. Alright. See weed. It's craving here. Whistler. Help yourself.
But I don't know if you build weed.
Brother, me give you a cliff and me just build. And you have problem. Me give you everything for build as cliff and you still have problem.
Give me back the one you give me first.
Tell us that I really bush I come from for chill. Give me things, man. You say alone, my brother. Seal. Yo, call the bartender for me now then, dog. We'll go and get the next one. Culture there for broken night town, dog. Get them country style the whole time. You know? You have no woman down. You have no woman down. Rest again and girl yet. Judge your girl. That's why I start lead a course. Judge you. Alright, kill up yourself, man. Just go and go and build a script, man. Hold them, man. Take time, puffy, man.
Man, forward there.
Yeah, man. A high grade, you see it? Yeah, man. Welcome to US, yeah. You get back your lungs now. That is what the good coach does. You understand? What you may say to our father? Now, one mission you go upon still, so. You want to take a wash off yet, my dog?
No, sir.
Well, if you go on to do a game run with my dog, well, run me and run we, you have to make sure your energy clear. So we go one place to go from this and make you fall and go make you see your nails, get a little clearance, wash off my dog and stay safe, you see me? Because I see it, you're a militant youth in a slippery weight, I mean banger. See it, you're a militant youth in them, see it, you're not afraid, you know. And my spirit kind of take your dog, catch you know? I'm done. I'm going to left them room and run us till little more. I don't drink out of my dog, we just make a skate and a circle, you see me? Because fear boy must come back as a phenomenon. I know you're good at meds that thing, but fear boy must come back as a phenomenon. Them man say 5 minutes, 5 minutes turn to 5 hours. You go there all 5 days. Yeah. You see, like say weed, grab up your chest, wicked man. And the yard them look so up dog.
No man, I'm a good man, just a go on.
One banger man. You may say still. Today name Saturday. Tomorrow Sunday. So Monday morning, 6 o'clock early, work start. You may tell her on a 6:30 and a 7 o'clock. What time you say?
6 o'clock.
Oh, at least a year's at work. Watch out now. So that means you for the office from 5:50. Because I bet you heard it down late. So you may say no. You go differently though. I like your place.
You're alright, man. But you know, me walk around here so.
Alright, you may say that. Alright, watch out though. Say, I fall upon the journey. No more than that, dog.
I don't know yet.
Bad man, you may say bad man. Go there, don't call link my back, dog. Me wait for you, killer. Just do it fast, bad man. Me tell you, man. The game, you say I want the man, make you feel like you man bring yourself. Make you feel like you man bring yourself, my friend. Watch out, man. You feel like you can't, nobody feel like say you just so have big house and so. That you have to start. Yeah, man. Remember me tell her, man. Alright, move and make it here.
What's your road?
Man, daddy powers out. Yeah, I'm here, man. I'm telling you, I believe in anything in you. The car can't lick me. That turn over before you touch me, bro. Oh. Such a now. You ain't buy incense time?
No?
Treasure God, boy. You
ain't tell me about
but at least, that can't have a process. I'm sure you go, I'm sure you think operator now, brother, watch out, you go and still, you have to go. You have to turn around still, because I'm going to change, I'm going to pre-me.
I'm not busy, see them, I never see.
I'm going to pre-me now, that net. I don't really know not about you, that.
Water deep, you know, Sweepstakes.
Where's that going?
Say water deep, you know.
What at least, man? At least the wrong thing I worry about now. I'm gonna show you do this thing now, Zin. You have a lighter? You have a lighter, pan? Get a lighter there. Get a lighter there for me.
And what color candle them here?
I'm gonna teach her thing now. Zin, forward question, brother. Oh, yeah, police.
No, Chummy said.
Brother, look for what me tell us, look for you.
Where you say? Where you say?
Focus. Watch how go on now. First thing you have to do, Zin. Pay her for boy.
And give me peace and money if you chew anything.
I'm going to plan to share this in you.
Yes.
Alright, so take her one there. Zin, wait, you're not going to do that yet.
No man, me not do it yet.
Watch yourself, boy. Look so. Alright, dash it up. See that?
See
Power
there.
that, you know. You have to forward the night, you have to feel like you. Don't make it one here. Don't make it.
So what color first? Me see the color.
No, listen, man. Sure. Man like a hono, man like a hono. It's man like a hono. And you lose out, man. Alright, Sita. Psalms 25. Sita. And to thee, O Lord, do I lift up my soul. O God, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed. Let not my enemies jump over me. Amen. Praise be to God. Watch out now, boy.
This man is sick, man. Then if I saw you fear power, if I saw fear power.
Oh, boy. Mommy, evening. Yeah, but yeah, money me I call about fish fry. What you mean by? Why every time me I keep my shop and me ask for your support, and never can give me a support yet in my life? Why? Why you always have to be like that? Sometimes I wonder if me you pick me for true. Why you stay so? Me need the support, me need your help. Me never can ask for your help and get it. Me always have to go out in the world and ask other people for help. Me not ungrateful. Me know say 9 months I came for, but you still can't help your daughter. You know what? Later, me not gonna have this conversation with you. Cause it don't make no sense. Me not see where to go. You all done me credit and you not buy me none. Bye, mum. Bye. Who me can call? Can call Pinky, you know. I share all the person me can. No, we can't get it from right now. I call her. Hello? Evelyn. You know some Pinky? You not hear me? You hear me now? Yeah. Me no want to talk to you over the phone. Me can't see in person. Me will come up at your yard calling you. Alright, no problem. Girl, when me come here, we talk.
You know, see, I love the style, like, you tap, you know. So,
Girl, now me stress out.
oh God, I look stressed with you. So, where?
I can't believe, say, yesterday, I called my cousin. Because if you pay a fishman for fish them, I have to cancel the man yesterday and tell him to come today, this evening. I can't believe, say, I called my cousin and borrow $50,000 from my cousin. And, you know, so I lost the money. Girl, I lost the money right now, I'm stressed out. I don't know what to do.
Hold on. You tell me say you lost $50,000.
$50,000.
Oh dear.
That's why I'm not really like mix up with this scamming money and then look at something because me get to see they last. That means I never forget. But anyway.
Listen to me. Scamming money, yeah. It comes and it goes. But you don't have to blame for the scamming money to you last $50,000. You understand? Sometimes all I need is just a wash off. All I need sometimes is just a wash off because sometimes, you know, sadness can fall back on you and you don't know.
Hey, back up. Don't ramp with me. Don't do them something there with me. I don't mix and mingle, you know. So no
me by mix and mingle.
Wash off.
Eh? Then
listen.
Let me tell you something. I love money, I can take scamming money. So you see
love money.
Listen.
I borrow it because me go give you know somebody don't washing money them before me use it though. I'm laughing face I drop me on it.
Let's see the other thing money.
Me did all washing money before me use it, you know. Your piece me just did all using money, sir.
Let's see the other thing money.
Wash it.
Why
that me did I go do?
Why not easy, you know? Where you are going now? I can't lend you some money, you know. But bear in mind, go on about my money. I don't know, promise money. This I lend you hit, so me go want it back. You understand? So much you say you want?
50,000.
50,000. Let me see if
you get it back. If you not get it back on the same day, you get it next morning early.
Let me see if I have enough for me so. You are going. I for go in for it and come back here.
No, but that long, you know, cause I want to pay man.
You worry too much.
Me not worry,
you worry
just
too
have
much.
only for things for my brain.
You still not come. Bear in mind, you know, I want back my money. Alright.
Never owe your money.
Come on. What is that?
Make sure you say alright 50, you know. I'm not even account it.
Look for my money. Look how much I get. Now share. Alright, listen. The reason why I actually listen to a girl is because some people don't understand, say, when I lend them even $1,000, then take it for granted, like, you know, want back your 1,000. Look, let me tell you something, you know, me is a principal girl now. Just when I lend her something, me I look out back for my things. Remember the last time, you said lend me $1,000, and I lend me $1,000, America. And what you do? Eh? What you do? Oh, me did forget. Till I take 1 mile, go and drop asleep. So let me tell you something. You see, now is not the time I play with my money. So you see, when they say I want my money, me go want back my money.
So $1,000 you be yourself $1,000?
When I have $1,000 be yourself, you see, you still not understand what me I say.
Me can't put $1,000 on this money and
sometimes you make
give
it bad for people because you overdo it. I mean, I like it. You overdo it. When people learn things, you know, if you give back people them things, and that be the talk about.
You know what I say? I should have bad take nothing from you because I feel like I complain to you lend me something. Me give back your money, you know. But that's true, me really want to go pay a fisherman. As me that give back your money.
So, give me now. Give me back.
Take it.
Give me back.
Take it.
Give me back
take
now.
It now.
So give me back now.
Take it now.
But I better just go and do what you do. And just bear in mind, I want my money.
Can't take
Me
it.
watch up to see if I don't money I take or give money.
But nobody never see me pain.
You want my money?
Silent cries like falling rain. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down. Too late for care, no. Too late for fear, no. Me cry out loud, but no song.
I'm sure you are going. See? You see? The car, I've been done tell you already. Brand spanking you. First me buy one brand new car like this. And in a few name. See? Because you don't know a game go already. But I know you feel no way if me take a one drive out like now and then. You understand?
Babes, me not cut about. If you feel one way if you take one drive out tight. Remember no babes, what for me I fear and what fear our for me.
Exactly.
So babes, me not like the little stuff.
No man, it's just that sometimes people have one tendency for, you know, switch. I mean not say switch but change. I just have a different motive. You know what I mean? I love you. You know, even yesterday when I come check you, I want to meet up with the nigga them and end up not do it because you say ropes and I come spend some time with you and all them something. And I really appreciate the fact that you're happy so I drop it off of the yard and all them something there. You understand? So, you know, I love you as I said before, I don't want nothing change it and I don't want to change. Because you know me a youth in the street where I do my thing. You understand what I say? And more you know say if me win, you win too. You get what I say, babe?
Yeah, babe, but
You're good, man. Not tell us.
I love you.
I love you more, man.
Me just really appreciate you get one brand new whip. And that's just, you know, me just feel like I'm that girl, like, you know, princess treatment. Yeah, babe. I really appreciate you.
Baby, me not say you can't do what you want to, but don't drive fast. Don't follow them people and drive fast on the road. Yeah? I want your safety. If you touch it, no problem. Me fix it. But just take your time, baby. Remember, say you want to reach where you go. Anytime you touch the road. You understand me?
Yeah, me understand, yeah, me understand.
Watch out. Let me call back again. Yeah, dog. Yeah, man, I'm forward, man. Yesterday, cancel yesterday. Everything good for yesterday. But, but you see my, slippery because me forward back down in the shop and I see slippers. Okay. On my roll with Sweepstakes. Alright, no problem. Alright, no problem. Me forward now down there. See? Yeah, man. Oh, no. Alright. Me have one Starlink, so me just carry Starlink and just start it out. See?
Yeah, B, so, you know, so my best friend just calling me a while ago too.
Calling you about?
No, you know, B, you know, me can't hide nothing from him. The fish fry. She never get the money for to buy the fish them and she go borrow one money from somebody and she lost the whole of the money. As she borrow the money, she lost the money. So me just lend her a piece of money and tell her, say, listen, we go one back in money. And that's it.
But when it's a piece of money, I mean, like, how much money is that?
50,000.
That means we are going to get fish free. A free fish we are going to get because that the girl here done tell me already in one long time say she's not a principal person because so you mark people, you know. If you lend her $1,000 and then when you reach on her fair yard, she said when you reach on her yard, you get it back. And she reach on her yard, bed, sleep and all them things there and still not give back your money for weeks and months. And she take $1,000 for granted. You feel say she go really see $50,000 and feel like you forget it back. Maybe she'll give you a piece and tell us boy not go on there fish fry. But everything good. I your money.
Yeah, and what you have to understand, sometimes you have to make a girl deal with her own situation.
That's true. That's what I say. Your thing. Do what you do.
Yeah.
Them don't shout me already. Baby, just take a time drive over here. I'm gonna love you. Just make sure you reach. When I reach, call me. I send my message. Can we go, you know. Work time. Alright? Alright, baby.
What you doing? Later, I love you.
Love you, baby.
Mwah.
Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. My scamming business. Feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business. Money come fast, but
Me tell you boy bang, me tell you that you say fair the game, my friend. A loyalty do it to my dog. So you say I want a spliff. I build up a spliff for you, and come you can't build them. You know.
So I can't always build weed, give me.
You can't build weed?
No, I can't build weed.
You don't want it to smoke?
But then take car first time I take it puff out I want you give me a say.
Nothing there.
No,
You're mad out.
But it make my head hot me little bit.
Cause high grade.
Oh.
Good kush.
Oh.
But me tell you say do a dog as me show you loyalty I code, you know. Cause fear boy, you know. You know like run money when money for run, you know. Cause you have one little brown in the you know, like you can hold you now, man.
Wait, no.
You done smoke a pro now.
Where you say no?
No, me tell you say fear boy. When the money for run, you know, like running money, brother. And you have one little browning up the way squeeze in head, so as he make money, browning take it from him. So what me have to do what day?
My boy, say, who am my boy again?
Man come like boy me tell you she in a register, but me have to understand, you're a bushman. You say you come like you're slow to something. But we not mention that. I say what do you make up on you for go? What do you write? Pause the thing. 2 days after that you want 10,000 come through and you don't know nothing about it and you're alone now, you know. I'm gonna give me a prefer give 3,000 on tight.
Boy, I don't give thanks to you, you know.
Cause when you go upon the operation, you shoot out.
Don't give thanks to you, because I do well want to watch a man.
Nobody don't know about this, no. The Nick don't know about it.
No, man, I don't say no. You and me talk. Remember, I don't know
right.
Nick like that.
One slippery bang, I know.
More than saying, man. Only Sweepstakes, me know.
You Rasta. But I regular days, the Rasta boy is not a loyal boy, so I don't prefer to cut him out and shut him out of the car. When the money reach in a fee, man, he never let share a good brother. And you see now this thing, my friend, you see if a man now go real to you in a money sharing business, you have to get rid of them. Cause how fear part to go on and feminine to go on. You want to drive car me for the take taxi, says there. And me they working in the office. You the benefit of what we they do. Cause you know hot yet, you know. Cause me know where my teacher, I feel like you can left your own way. You don't know nothing, brother. Only thing them man do is clear food. You dig? Yeah. So I'm making chicken you.
Oh, that's having me at twang. I'm asking if I say you go in can't answer me, only say yeah.
I see me even know them sitting there. You understand? For sure, so I'm not telling no lie you. But my priest is still, Zane. So what I'm going to put in the office in that. You see style? Believe. See same thing, brother. From man in the Rasta boy if you can start and come give you a dog. I tell us a dog, what I'm going to do now and I say, I can't do now what my friend.
My dog!
Jaja you.
Go down, my brother.
Right, and reach for the ground, man.
She said, I can put him and see
yes,
no so there, said, do you?
Yes, Rasta boy. Because walk we want to work cannot. You know see?
Mean?
All no start no reach.
Oh, that's finna reach?
Go ask your friend.
My friend.
Tell us a Rasta boy and a real name. See my title show you. I'm you know, as the money reach, you want to come grab it up and do a him, please.
I don't say one thing already, I tell about the chain and the weak link.
So him my weak link, you forget rid of him, brother.
Right now,
for
bro.
Cut him out of chain and many back. You see it? Remember saying no, God working at trees, you know, I Trinity do it, you know, my friend. We are not care, we don't need force somebody for your road, brother.
You hear me, I say?
You dig?
Man, I beg for no man. Do what you feel like do. Cause I have an idea that a man they always a try to be real to me like him a try to prove something. You see style? But he can't grow. My link said we.
That man they a joker, brother. Me tell you now. Oh, me see it. You see him be there. Have him brain tie up in one box, man. But I'm not really busy about that, daddy. I just my bread me the different right now, a different thing me the pan. So you say pray now, banger.
I think the pan no me G car.
So I try to share that on the same page, my friend.
Because in real life,
I wonder what they are chat to this man like that, dog.
No, man, no worry about that, man. I'm good, man. It's bang a good, man. I want slippery bang in man. I'm good, man. I'm good, man.
Say banger.
Yeah, me G.
Right now, I see a boy me look for see right now, dog. I walk more dog. I don't leave liquor right. I'm gonna drink some dog, but me leave boy my correct right
Think
now.
I walk him on and they are put in.
So now what?
So what do you Rasta
Walk
give
me
one bang and take it back?
He said,
Say me want more chain.
The banger they give me name, you know. Banger.
And he nah give me a banger.
But Rasta himself want chain him, so Rasta if tell this man I say him want chain him. And Rasta himself can't chain him.
Right now, all my vibes cut.
You want to put in some work down?
Brother, right now, tomorrow I'm better there, man.
But watch out now. Tomorrow go better, yes, cause we have one account now. So we don't really need him to clear the food again.
Know yourself, man. Bang up. Bang them, bang
You
them.
leave.
Alright, my G.
A money time, man.
Say G, they rate me, I know, you know.
I tell you that the first for your foot and I do the right, you go good, man.
Watch out when you go teach me to do bang. Cause I want to learn good, you know, cause only
Brother,
thing you tell me to
brother,
just chat to one.
Brother, if your boy and style the thing, you know, they work right now. So no, so when I start, as the Starlink reach, I work, my friend. What you tell me say? Alright, I'm going to tell a boy that piece of my man and reach us to go to this Rasta boy that come and make a seat so when I run certain joke, dog. I'm tell you, man.
I real life.
I'm gonna run more for a drink kind of, but I'm gonna put in some work still.
Yo. How happened? Eh?
Rani, you're gone, you know.
What you mean gone? Where you talking about?
You're gone, man.
Eh? Gone where? Where you talking about, brother? Where man them there? You don't work today again?
Tomorrow, if I see you tomorrow.
Man them coming like a joke bit. Alright, everything good.
No, your head, man. Cause see that forward the funny work. Listen.
You start smoke now?
So if you man a smoke bad, man. So if you man a burn with dog, you just come and say, I want to still, take it still. I want to bad man for everything, man, you move, sir. So man, I guess the same thing I tell about, brother.
You make a move, brother?
Yo, bad man.
You make the thing sound loopy, brother. No work with the way I work. Yo, when Nick there? Yo, me fall down and shop and I see you, brother. What happened?
Yo, it makes so much nice on the black for this. I load up the black so that.
Me say to see a bar, brother. Me soon fall.
You may do the man so bad, man.
If you understand, so you lose a place. If you understand who you talk to.
You know, something like you talk to, I have something to tell you. Because I notice how when you go on, like you want to man for hear that, you know.
What you talking about?
Daddy, remember saying, man, they see little brother, you have what best take you for your phone and spin your brain, daddy. I'll be a shot with money in a dog.
Shot with money?
I'll be a shot with money, my friend.
You listen to that man,
I say? You tell man, say give money run 3 times and a 1 time food run across my
brother, me give you money, if me give you $30,000 US. See? And you're supposed to get 10. Why problem? Eh?
Yo, so that shoes there. Remember the shoes there? The new shoes there I buy. I first step in on my friend car.
What mean shoes?
Because he may tell us that. I may tell us that food business how you do. Or done it, brother.
What mean done the business? I me start the whole operation. The organization start through me. That's why I me have the account. I me get American Express and start to the business. What you talking about?
Alright, now go sit then.
What?
Now go sit then.
What?
How much clientele what?
What do you mean someone client me? I'm response for them. I'm a secure certain. I'm a police the whole thing. What you talking about?
You look a vanilla card client them.
What do you mean vanilla?
How much clientele will make a direct deposit in an account where you response?
The biggest one who clap it in?
Man,
I'm Nick Captain, we are talking about.
Yo, fix things not separate. Look for you, eh? Yeah, man, you should have never tried thief man money you at that Sweepstakes cars. Oh no, yo, banger. Think 2 more time now. Right, that's up.
Suppose me pregnant for you, be this would have really do me. Be.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Na 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 na. Me step out of jail yard. Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. Same blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road them before me even learn right from wrong. Say son, this is how we survive, but survival turn to prison song. 5% of me sweat, yeah, while them live big and free. College fee due tomorrow, but jail cell wait for me. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and we soul. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We swear say we loyal till the law knock on the door. Same table we eat from is the same one. Mash we hope. How long we a go run? How much more blood for spill? Is it love or fear keep we close? Or hunger we break we will? Protect the youth them, keep them far from the flame. Cause the business we build the house can burn the whole family name. Scamming business is a blessing and a curse. Scamming business, from the cradle to the earth. If we don't change the story now, history repeat again. Same jail, same tears, same pain, same scamming business. Same blood, same blood.